Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can see what apps have permissions on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on apps. Then go down and tap on app. Then here, tap on permissions. Now in here, add allow permissions and not allow permissions. Next, you can tap on the more button at the top, then tap on all permissions, and you can see all the permissions this app has. So here we've got camera, take pictures and videos. It has the permission to read your contacts, record audio, show notifications, and so on. So go down the list here and you'll be able to find out all the permissions that an app has to your device. And after that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.